Guys, today I'm going to explain you about application of trigonometry. Application of trigonometry will be used to find out the measurement of various objects like this one, the distance between two poles, without actually measuring the distance. You see, if to actual measure the distance, what you will have to do? You'll have to take the this one inch tape or whatever it is and then measure it. No, without actually measuring, you can find out the distance between the two poles or the height of the tower, whatever it is. Okay, so for that there are three important points. What are the three to four important points? So important points. Important points is line of, first one is line of sight. Line of sight. Second one is angle of elevation. Then third one is angle of depression. And then fourth one is angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. Okay. Now I'll explain you what is line of sight. Now suppose a person is standing here and there is a pole here. Okay. And what he is doing is, this person here, where is his eyesight? Eyesight is somewhere here. So this is a person, this is a boy. Okay. So what he sees the top of the pole. So how will he see the top of the pole? He'll see this way. His eyesight will go here. No. So this is called line of sight or line of vision. Okay. If he sees from bottom to top, so it is called elevation. Elevation. This is what? This is line of sight. And what is this called? This line is called horizontal line. Okay. And angle between the line of sight and the horizontal line is angle of elevation, because he is gazing to the top. From down he is gazing to the top. So his eyesight will be up. No. So that is angle of elevation. If he looks up, then it is angle of elevation. This is the horizontal line. This is the line of sight. Okay. Now, so angle of elevation you have and line of sight also you understood. What is angle of depression? Angle of depression is, suppose a person, this is a pole. This is a pole and here a boy is standing here. Boy is standing here. Boy is standing here. Now he is looking down at this object. He is looking down at this object. Suppose there is a stone here. Stone here, he is looking down. So from top he is looking down. So this one is what? This, where is the horizontal line here? Horizontal line is this. This is the horizontal line. So this is horizontal line. And this is line of sight. He is seeing down. So this is line of sight. So where will the angle be? The angle will be here. Okay. The angle will be here. This is what? What angle? Angle of depression. So always the angle will be between the horizontal line and the line of sight. Wherever it is. between the horizontal line and the line of sight, you will get an angle. Between those two, you will get an angle. So this is when it is going up towards up. When the line is going up, then it is angle of elevation. When the line comes down, then it is angle of depression. Now this is the angle, but you don't have a full triangle here. No, you don't have a full triangle here. Now you see this horizontal line and this line is parallel to each other, so you can say that this angle is equal to this angle. Now this is a triangle, and then you can find out. Okay, so that is why I have given here as angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. Always it is angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. Okay, clear till here? Okay, now we'll start the examples. Example 1. A tower stands vertically on the ground. A tower. Suppose this is a tower. It stands vertically on the ground from the point on the ground which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. The foot of the tower is this. 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60. From here, 15 meter away. 15 meter away's end is this one, no? From here, the angle of elevation is to the top of the tower is 60 degree, he is saying. So this is 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. Now what you will have to do is name the triangle. Now this becomes a triangle. It is a right angle triangle. You can write here AB is the tower and BC is the distance between the tower and the point. Okay, distance between tower and the point. Now in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. So you can either take sine theta or cos theta or tan theta, but whatever is relevant, you will have to see what you will have to find out. Find the height of the tower, he is saying. So what is where is the tower? The tower is this, no? So you will have to find the height of this AB, you will have to find out. So one side is given and one angle is given. So one side is given and one angle is given. So how will you find out the dimension of the tower is? What you can take is, you see where opposite and adjacent, which ratio opposite and adjacent is used? In tan it is used. So you can take tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to AB by BC. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to, what is AB? AB you don't know. You will have to find out AB. And what is BC? BC is 15 meter. So you will have to cross multiply. So AB will become 15 root 3 meter. So the height of the tower is equal to 15 root 3 meter. Okay, this is your answer. Clear? Okay. Now the second one. Second one is, an electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole. Suppose there is a pole here and electrician has to repair this pole of height 5. Height of the pole is 5 meter. She needs to reach a point 1.3 meter below the top of the pole to undertake the repair work. What he is saying is the repair work is somewhere here. Suppose this is 1.3 meter. 1.3 meter below the pole. Somewhere here she has to reach to repair the electric pole. No. What should be the length of the ladder that she should use, which when inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the horizontal would enable her to reach the required position? So horizontal line is this, it should be this, the horizontal line. What should be the length of the ladder? He's asking what should be the length of the ladder, from where you will have to place the ladder. That also is asking. Also, how far from the foot of the pole should she place the foot of the ladder? The foot of the ladder is here. Where should this ladder be placed? Here or here or here or here or here? Where should it be placed? You will have to find the distance between the pole and the ladder and the length of the ladder or dimension of the ladder. So what all is given? Angle of elevation is given. Angle of elevation is 60 degree. Now angle of elevation is given. Suppose this is pole. AB is pole. And this is C and this is D. Okay. Okay. Now what you will have to do is, first what you will have to take, you will have to explain everything, that AB is the pole, then AC or AB is equal to this, and AB is equal to 5 meter given. The repair spot is C. Okay. Then angle of elevation CDB is the angle of elevation. Okay, all this you will have to write. Now in triangle DBC, in triangle DBC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now what will you take? Tan 60 you can take. Tan 60 is equal to CB, not AB, CB by BD. So what is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. What is CB? CB is, you see, this whole from A to B, it is 5 meter. So 5 meter minus 1.3 meter, you will get what? 3.7 meter. So 3.7 meter. Root 3 is equal to CB will be 3.7 meter by BD. BD you don't know. You will have to find out. Now cross multiply. Root 3 BD is equal to 3.7 meter. BD is equal to 3.7 by root 3 or 3.7 into root 3 by 3. Okay. Now if you want to cancel, you can either leave like this, but this is not so accurate, no? So what you will have to do, you can cancel it. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 10, 3 3s are 9. Again 10 you get, 3 3s are 9. This 3 will be going on coming. So 1.23. So 1.23 into 1.732. What is root 3's value? Value of root 3 is 1.732. Now you will have to multiply both of this, 1.732 and 1.23. 3 2s are 6, 9, 7, 21, 5, then 4, 6, 14, 3. Then 2, 3, 7, 1. So 6, 13, 10, 10, 13, 1, 11, 2. So 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2.13. So what is this 2.13? BD. BD is 2.13. BD is 2.13 meter. Hope this is correct. Let me check. 2.13. Yeah, correct. Distance is 2.13. Now, okay. So, BD you got. So, what you can write is, distance between the tower or the pole. Distance between the pole and the point. And the initial point you can write. Initial point is 2.13 meter. Okay. Now what you will have to find out? You will have to find out DC, the height of the ladder also you will have to find out. Now you have this, you have this. So either by Pythagoras theorem you can do, or you can take what? Sine 60. If you take sine 60, what is the benefit of taking sine 60? You see, if you take sine 60, what is sine 60's ratio? Is opposite by hypotenuse. So straight away you can find out hypotenuse, because you have this BC you have, and the sine 60 you know, and DC you can find out. No? So it is BC by DC. BC by DC. What is sine 60? Root 3 by 2 is equal to BC is what? How much is BC? Somewhere you found out, no? BC here 3.7. So BC is 3.7. DC is what is, how much is DC? DC you don't know, you'll have to find out. Okay, now you cross multiply root 3 DC, then is equal to 3.7 into 2. So DC is equal to 3.7 into 2 by root 3. So root 3 is 1.732 again. So what you can do is, you just have to multiply 7 2s are 14, 7.4 by root 3, which is equal to, you can write 7.4 root 3 by 3. How did I get this? I have rationalized it. Okay, rationalized it. Now what you will have to do, you can find the value in decimal. For that you will have to multiply, and that is your task. You multiply by 1.732 and then divide by 3. You will get the answer, perfect answer. Okay, this is meter here. Clear? Okay, the next example is, an observer 1.5 meter tall is 28.5 meter away from a chimney. Okay, so what all is given? The height of the boy is given, then distance between the chimney and the boy is given. An observer 1.5 meter tall, this is the observer, and here is the chimney, and he's saying the distance between the chimney is 28.5 meter. The angle of elevation of the top of the chimney from her eyes is 45 degree, which means the observer's eyes will be on the top. So angle of elevation is what? 45 degree. Now where will the horizontal line be? Actually the horizontal line is this. Horizontal line. Where will the line of sight be? This is the line of sight be. So where will the angle be? Between the line of sight and the horizontal line, the angle is this. So 45 degree. So this is 45 degree. What is the height of the chimney? You will have to find out the height of the chimney. Now name this figure A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Okay. Now you say here 28.5 is there. So this is also 28.5. 28.5 because this is straight line. So this will also be 28.5. Now you have one angle, you have one measure. You can find out the height of the chimney, or not high, partly height of the chimney you can find out, and then what you will do, you can add, because here it is 1.5, so you can say this is also 1.5 meter. So part of the chimney AB can be found out with the help of this angle and this measurement. After you find out, then you can add and you can find out the value of AC. Okay, now it is 45 degree. So you can take tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to what? AB by EB. AB by EB. So what is AB? AB you don't know. Tan 45 is 1. AB you don't know. Write it as AB. And EB. EB is nothing but 28.5. So what will AB be? AB is equal to 28.5 meter by cross multiplying. So after you cross multiply, now AB, what is it? This one is AB. So AB is 28.5. You got AB. Now you will have to find the full length AC. Therefore, AC is equal to AB plus BC. What is BC? BC is 1.5. Okay. So how much will this become? 28 plus 1, 29, and this 1. So 30 meter. So the height of chimney is 30 meter. Clear? Okay. The next one. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of a 10 meter tall building is 30. From a point P. Suppose a point P is this. Okay. On the ground, the angle of elevation of top of 10 meter tall building. Suppose this is the building. 10 meter building. 10 meter tall building. Angle of elevation is, he is saying it is 30. This is the horizontal line. This is angle of line of sight. So this is the angle. This is 30 degree. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of top of the flagstaff. Now what is flagstaff is? This is flag. So flag is hanging here. This is the flag. Now, so this flag, what he is saying, a flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of top of the flagstaff. Now this is the top of the flagstaff. He is saying top of the flagstaff, the angle of elevation again is 45 degree. So which is the line of sight here? This one is the line of sight. And which is the horizontal line? This is the horizontal line. So angle between the line of sight and horizontal line is angle of elevation. So this is 45. Understood? Clear? Find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building from the point P. So you will have to find the length of the flagstaff. This length you will have to find out because already you have this as 10 meters. So you will have to find the distance of the flagstaff and the distance between the point and the building, from initial point and the building. So you will have to name it A, B, C, D. Clear? You will have to say AB is the flagstaff. Okay. Then BC is the building. Angle of elevation is ADC, angle ADC and angle BDC are angle of elevation. Okay, now what you will have to do, you can say let AB is equal to x meter. Okay, AB is equal to x meter. Now in triangle ADC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Why I am specifying this is only when it is a right angle triangle you can use trigonometry. Okay, so angle C is 90 degree. Now you can take 45 degree. Which this one, the trigonometric ratio will you take? Always take. If it is 45, always take tan. Okay, so tan 45 is equal, because the value of tan 45 is what? 1. So it will be easy for you to calculate. So tan 45 is AC by DC. AC by DC. So 1 is equal to, what is AC? X plus 10 by DC, you don't know. Okay, now DC will become x plus 10. Take this as equation 1. Now you will have to take tan 30. Tan 30 degree is what? In triangle, you write in triangle BDC. In triangle BDC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. So tan 30 is equal to BC by DC. Okay, what is tan 30? 1 by root 3. What is BC? BC is 10. What is DC? DC you don't know. Okay, so after cross multiplying, what you get? DC is equal to 10 root 3. So take this as equation 2. Here also you have DC. Here also you have DC. From 1 and 2, we get what? What you get? X plus 10 is equal to 10 root 3. Because both LHS are same. So you can say both RHS are also same. So x is equal to 10 root 3 minus 10, which is equal to 10 you take common, root 3 minus 1. So x is equal to 10 root 3 minus 1 meter. So what is x? What we have assumed as x? We have assumed AB as x. So the height of the flagstaff. No, he is asking what is the height? Find the length of the flagstaff. So the length of flagstaff. Length of flagstaff is equal to 10 into root 3 minus 1 meter. Okay. Now the next thing is find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building from the point P. So you will have to find out the distance of the building from point P. What does that mean? You will have to find the length of DC. So DC, already you have DC as 10 root 3. So you can say here the distance from the building to the initial point is 10 root 3 meter. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, The next one. The shadow of the tower standing on the level ground is found to be 40-meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree than when it is 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. Now suppose the tower is here and the shadow of the tower is this. This is the shadow of the tower. Okay. Now what he is saying is, understand it clearly. The shadow of the tower standing on the level ground is found to be 40-meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30. So when the sun's altitude is 30, it is 40-meter longer than what? 40-meter longer. How you will have to read is 40-meter longer than when it is 60. 30, when it is 30 degree. Now this is 30 degree. No, this is 30 degree. It is x plus 40. Now when it is 60, it is only x. When it is 60, it's only x. When it is 30 degree, when it becomes 30 degree, when this one becomes 30 degree, it is 40-meter longer than the previous one is saying. Okay, understood? So the diagram you will have to do it like this. The diagram won't be given, you will have to draw the diagram. Okay, now he is asking you to find the height of the tower. So name it C and D. Okay. AB is the tower and ADB tower, ADB and ACB are the angle of elevation. Okay, what else is given? The shadow. He's asking you to find the height of the tower. Okay, now take tan again. You take in triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So tan 30 is equal to AB by BD. AB by BD. So what is tan 30? 1 by root 3. So what is AB? AB you don't know. BD, x plus 40. BD full x plus 40. Now cross multiply, you get root 3 AB is equal to x plus 40. So AB is equal to x plus 40 by root 3. So AB you got. Now take this as 1. Now again tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to AB by BC. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So tan 60 is AB by BC. So how much is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AB. You don't know. What is BC? BC is x. So AB is equal to root 3x. Now you see here also AB, here also AB. Take this as 2. From 1 and 2, x plus 40 by root 3 is equal to root 3x. So this becomes what? X plus 40 is equal to 3x. Okay. Now x minus 3x is equal to minus 40. This goes to the other side, becomes minus, and this, if it comes this side, becomes again minus. Minus 2x is equal to minus 40. Cancel both minus, you get 2x is equal to 40. So x is equal to 20. What is x? x is BC. Okay, the distance when the angle is 60 degree, it is 20. So what is the question? What is he asking? Find the height of the tower. So you will have to find the height of the tower now. AB. You see, AB is root 3x, no? Taking 1, substituting x is equal to 20 in equation 1. AB is equal to root 3 into 20. So what you will get? AB is equal to 20 root 3 meter. This is your answer. So height of the tower is 20 root 3 meter. Okay, clear? Okay. Now the sixth one. You see, the angle of depression of the top and the bottom of an 8-meter tall building from the top of the multi-storied building. Understand this question very clearly because there are two buildings here. Okay, there are two buildings. One is a small building and one is a multi-storied building. Okay, this is multi-storied building and this is tall building. These two are given. What he is saying is the angle of depression of the top of angle of depression of the top and the bottom of a tall building from this one, from the top of the multi-storied building. So from here the angle of depression. So this is an angle of depression and this is an angle of depression. He is saying two angle of depression is 30 and 45 respectively. So which is the horizontal line here? Depression is always horizontal line will be on the top. Okay, horizontal line. So this is again another line and here this is another line. You will have to make it parallel lines because where is the horizontal line is this and where is the line of sight? This is the line of sight. So angle between horizontal line and line of sight. So this will be one angle. Then again horizontal line, which is the next angle of sight, line of sight. This is the line of sight. So angle between the this and this, you will get this is the angle. So what is saying? This is 30 degree and one is 30 and one is 45 degree. Now you see these two are parallel lines. So this is 30. So which will be 30 alternate angle? This angle will be 30 because you see here this is parallel line. These two are parallel lines and take this as transversal. You get this and this are equal alternate angles. So this is 30. Okay. Now again this is parallel line. This and this you can take as parallel lines. Now this is the angle 45 degree. This is 45 degree. So which can be 45 degree? This can also be 45 degree. Again it is alternate angles. Okay, now you will have to name it A, B, C, D, E. That's all. This is enough. F. I'll remove this so you will not get confused. Okay. Now you see what you will have to find out. Find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two buildings. You will have to find out AC and DC. These two you will have to find out. So first what you will have to write is AC is multi-storied building and DE is tall building. So these two is clear. Now angle of elevation and both angle of depression only, no? FAE and FAD are two angle of depression. Angles of depression. Okay. Now what you will have to do is take this triangle ADC. Nothing else is given, no? Angle of depression on top and bottom of an 8 meter tall. So this is 8 meter. Okay, first, so if this is 8, this is also 8 because it's both a straight line and this is also a straight line. So you can say this is also 8 meter and take this as x. Okay, now take this big triangle. Let AB is equal to x meter. Now in triangle ADC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Now ADC, so tan 45, ADC, this big triangle ADC, so 45 is here, so tan 45 is equal to AC by DC. So what is tan 45? 1. AC is x plus 8 and DC. So DC is equal to x plus 8 meter. Okay, clear till here? Okay, take this as 1. Now take the angle of 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. So which triangle will you take? This triangle. This triangle you can take. So ABE in triangle ABE. Angle B is 90 degree. 90 degree. So tan 30. Tan 30 is what? BE. AB by BE. AB by BE. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. What is AB? AB is x. And BE. BE you don't know, no? So BE is as it is. So BE is equal to root 3x. Okay, after you cross multiply, you get BE is root 3x. This is 2. Now you see, DC is equal to BE. This and this are equal because these two are straight lines. So you can say, we know that DC is equal to BE. Therefore, x plus 8 is equal to root 3x, or x minus root 3x is equal to minus 8. Root 3x minus x is equal to 8. So x common, root 3 minus 1 is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 by root 3 minus 1, or 8 root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 and root 3 plus 1. So what you can do? 8 root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1, which is 8 root 3 plus 1 by 2. So 2 and this 8 will get cancelled. 4 you get. So 4 root 3 plus 1 meter. This is your answer. So what is this? X. X. So this answer, X is, this X is, AB is that answer. Now what is he asking? Find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two. So multi-storied building is AB plus BC. So AB plus BC. Where I'll write? Okay. I will remove this so that I can write it here. AB multi-storied building. Multi-storied building is equal to AB by plus BC. AB plus BC. What is AB? AB is 4 root 3 plus 1. And what is BC? BC is 8 meter. 8 meter. So 4 root 3 plus 4 plus 8. Anna? So 4 root 3 plus 12. So 4 common you can take, root 3 plus 3. So this is your answer. 4 root 3 plus 3. Multi-storied building is 4 root 3 plus 3. And now you see this is 45 degree. AC will be equal to DC because we have already proved here AC is equal to DC. AC and DC. AC is what? This you can write here one step is, since implies 1 is equal to AC by DC. So you can say by cross multiplying, you can say AC is equal to DC. Okay. Now you can say that AC. So DC is also the same thing. Therefore, DC is equal to 4 root 3 plus 3. Here we know that AC is equal to DC. Therefore, meter. Okay. This is your answer for both. Okay. Now the last example. Okay. From a point on a bridge. Suppose this is on a bridge. This you will have to draw it 3D shape. I can't do, but then we'll see. From a point on a bridge across a river. Suppose the river is this. This is a river. The angle of depression of the banks on opposite side of the river are 30 and 45. Suppose a bridge is here. It means that the bridge is on the top, somewhere here it will be. So on the bank of the angle of depression on the bank of the rivers is saying is one is 30 and one is 45 he has given. Okay. Now this is 30. This will be a straight line. This is 30 and this is 45. Because here the angle, this one will be horizontal line and this will be 30 and again this will be 45. So it will be, this will be 45 and this angle will be 30. Okay. Now what he is saying, after that what he is saying, if the bridge is at a height of 3, suppose this is the bridge. The bridge is at a height of 3 meter he is saying. So this is 3 meter. From the banks, find the width of the river. The width, this is the width from here to here. This two extreme banks will be there. No, if the river goes like that, this will be the bank, sand and all will be there here. So this width he is asking. The width of the river he is asking. Okay. Now what you will have to do? You will have to again name it A, B, C. Take this as D. Now angle of, you write everything. What you will have to write is angle of depression. What you can take this as X and Y. XAB is angle of and YAC are both angle of depression. AD is the height. Okay, height of the bridge from the river. That's all. Now you can take this as 90 degree. Then in triangle ADB, angle D is equal to 90 degree. Then tan 30 is equal to what? AD by BD. AD by BD. Now what is AD tan? What is root 30, tan 30, sorry, root 30, I'm saying tan 30. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. AD is 3 by BD. So you get BD is equal to 3 root 3 meter. Take this as 1. Now again in triangle ADC, angle D is equal to 90 degree. So tan 45 is equal to AD by DC, opposite by adjacent. So what is tan 45? 1. What is AD? 3 meter. And what is DC? You don't know. So DC is equal to 3 meter. Okay, this is 2. Now what you will do? Now you will have to add both. So BC is equal to BD plus DC. What is BD? BD you got it as 3 root 3 plus 3 meter. Okay, now 3 root 3 plus 1 meter. Now this is your answer. Root 3 plus, let me check, 3 into root 3 plus 1. Okay, done. Okay, so what you will have to do is the width of the river is 3 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Done. Okay, now it is your duty to repeatedly solve this problems 2 times, 3 times. If you solve these problems, it will be very easy for you to handle the exercise. Okay, first be thorough with the example problems. Okay, bye.